Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Bricks. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft Dungeons for free online multiplayer. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you always updated. And let's get started. Right click this file, then extract to, then type the password Minecraft _dungeons _ why not bricks, then okay, done. After, remove here, and then open, then extract these two files. Extract each archive to separate folder. Then the password is onlinefix.me. Then click OK. Here, click OK. Another one, onlinefix.me. And wait. You can delete this because we already extracted it. Done. Now you can delete this two file, this folder. Open this first, mcd fix repair, and then cut this, and then move to the Minecraft dungeon folder, and then paste, and then replace the files, and done. Then delete this, open again, and now you need to open this JDK helper and run as administrator. Inside this JDK helper, there's a 5 choices, then choose 3 actions. The operation completely successfully. Okay, then open the Microsoft Store. The Minecraft dungeon requirements, you should have Microsoft Store on your PC and then install Xbox and Xbox services. After install Xbox on your PC, then open and then log in. As you can see, this is Bricks. Then check the Xbox services. Xbox and Xbox services are the same. Okay, installed. Now we go to JDK helper and then choose one, install game, then enter. You should see the operation is successful, but in my case, as you can see, it look like an error because I already installed Minecraft Dungeons on my PC without recording to see if the game would work. So press 4 to disable developer mode. So the step is first enable, second install, and then third is disable. Now exit and then click Dungeons folder, binaries win64, and then dungeons.exe. Now let's see if the game would work. Let's wait. Guys, I told you it's working, bro. Yeah. And this multiplayer you can play with your friends. The same version, bro. It's totally 100% work and 100% multiplayer work. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always updated. And now let's log in. So you can log in your Xbox. Done.
It was a time of great adventure and danger. Shunned by his kin, an Illager wanders the land, seeking a new home. But all he found was hatred. Driven by rage against those who wronged him, he wandered blind to whatever end. Until at long last, the Illager found something that would change him forever. The Orb of Dominance. Corrupted by evil, driven by vengeance, the Arch-Illager made all bow before him. And if they did not bow, they would fall. The Illagers raided the land. Who would have the valor, the purity of heart, to stand against the Arch-Illager's reign of terror? Well, not that one. But maybe you.
talking about nothing. Then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this.